I'm Sophie Howe, the Future Generations Commissioner for Wales, and I'm asking for your help. Across Wales, we know that there are many organisations who are working to implement our groundbreaking Wellbeing of Future Generations Act. That sets out a vision for the Wales that we want to see through 7 interconnected wellbeing goals. The duties in the legislation are placed on the public sector, but we know we can only achieve them by everyone in Wales working together towards this common aim. That's why we're really keen to understand the appetite that the private sector may have for helping us to reach our wellbeing goals. We know that across the board, private sector organisations are doing a huge amount to contribute to decarbonisation, to supporting communities, to volunteering, to making sure that they're planning for the long term, to tackling some real big societal issues. But we're hoping to corral that around meeting our wellbeing objectives and the national wellbeing goals. We've got a short survey here which we're asking for your help in completing. I know that everyone gets survey fatigue, but we've tried to keep it as short as possible. It will enable us to plan some exciting work that we're thinking about in partnership with business and the community to look at how we can support the private sector to help us get towards the Wales that we want to see. Please take a minute to fill in the survey and tell us what your interests are, what you might already be doing, and what your appetite is for joining us on our expedition towards the Wales that we want.